Parama Karuna Pahudujana Nitai Gaura Chandra. This is a song sung by Lochan Das Thakur, almost a contemporary of Lord Chaitanya. So, in his appreciation of Lord Nityananda and Lord Chaitanya, he says that these two personalities are very merciful incarnation of God. Parama Karuna. Highest mercy. Pahu Duijana. Duijana means two personalities. And their names are Nitai and Gau. Nitai Gaurachan. So they are the best of all incarnations. That is also admitted by Rupa Goswami, because Krishna, when he came, he preached only that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but he did not give himself. He was not so much, but in his incarnation as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave Krishna. That is, therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is addressed by Rupa Goswami, Namo Mahavadana, the most munificent of all incarnations. He is giving himself. Parama Karuna Pahudujana Nitai Gaura Chandra Sabhay Avatar Sare Shiramani Kevalo Ananda Kanda. And in this incarnation there is no miserable condition. He is delivering everyone simply in transcendental bliss, chanting and dancing and giving prasada. In other incarnation, he had to take sword and this to kill, to deliver the demons. In this avatar, he is delivering all the demons simply by ananda, transcendental bliss. Kevala ananda kanda. Therefore, Lochandas Thakur advises, Bhajo Bhajo Bhai Chaitanya Nitya. You simply worship Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda. Sudhira Vishwasata, with firm faith, and your life will be successful. Bhaja Bhaja Bhai Chaitanya Nitya, Sudhira Vishwasata, with firm faith. Oh, I have taken shelter of Nityananda and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, my life is now successful. But one thing you have to do, Vishaya Charya Serasyamu. You have to take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya Prabhu without any material desire. Then it will not be very good. Vishaya Charya Sera Mukhivala, and the means and the process is simply chanting Hare Krishna. That will be. You take shelter of Gaur Nityananda and chant Hare Krishna mantra, your life. That is so nice. Vishaya Charya, don't desire any material enjoyment. Vishaya Charya says simply chant Hare Krishna, take shelter. Mukhe bola. Dakho dakho bhai, tulu wane na. Now just compare Lord Nityananda and Chaitanya, these incarnations. You cannot have throughout the three worlds such merciful preacher or deliverer of the fallen soul. Dakho dakho bhai tribhuvane nai. Amano dayalo data. Not only merciful, but the greatest dispenser of charity. Dakho dakho bhai tribhuvane nai. Amano dayalo data. And he is so merciful, what to speak of human being. Even birds and beasts who hear about his Sankirtan movement, they also become melted. Pasupaki jure pasano bidar. The hardest demon And the example is Jagai Madai and many demons. They became melted simply by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by Pashupati Jive Patananda. Suni Jaro Gunagatha, simply by hearing the activities of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, unfortunately, I am so much absorbed in material sense gratification that I cannot remember Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vishaya bhuliya, Vishaya mojiya rohili bhuliya. Being engaged only in sense gratification, I have forgotten Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda. So why? He is so munificent, he is so merciful, still I cannot take the advantage of it. So Lotandas Thakur lament on our behalf. Apana karama bhunjaya samara. I am so misdoer, miscreant, that I am forced to suffer the resultant action of my mischievous activities in the past. Apana karma bhunjaya samana. The Yamaraj Saman is forcing me. Kaha This is the statement of it.